Hello and welcome to the world's largest info product marketplace. At this digital storefront, you will find over 10,000 info products covering over 250 topics that will help you solve problems, get better at doing something, or help you figure out answers to questions that you currently have no clue about. Let's, for example, say that you want to start a catering business. Would it be really nice to have a guide written from a veteran that will allow you to master every trick of the trade to get the most out of your catering business? Of course, you are saving thousands of dollars from any mistake that can happen to you as a beginner. Catering business is just an example. How about something else? Maybe you want advice on how to write a professional, powerful resume, one that will increase your chances of getting noticed and getting you an interview call. Other popular topics that you can find information on are topics such as weight loss, nutrition, finance, education, animal care, gardening, language learning, addiction, stress management, and self-help books that teach you how to be successful. All the information is available in the form of DIY manuals or self-help references that allow you to come up with a solution to a problem all on your own with the help of ideas, processes, and solutions that you can develop after following step-by-step, easy-to-follow instructions from our database of 10,000 instantly downloadable info products. Before we go, we also want to tell you that we offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you are not satisfied with our product for whatever reason, just tell us within 60 days and we will refund your money in full. Absolutely no questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this insane collection of info products that can make a dramatic improvement to your life.